How to fix too many free trial accounts used on this machine cursor AI. So what you're gonna have to do is press on your window key plus R to open up the run task. Then just go ahead and open up registry. Just go ahead and type that in and press on OK. Once you do that, go ahead into H key local machine, and once you're there, go for software, then press on Microsoft, scroll down until you find the Microsoft option, which should be over here, and once you're there, press on cryptography. Then you should be able to find a name of machine GUID. What you're gonna have to do at that point is just go ahead and delete that. So after a reboot, Windows usually generates a new machine GUID automatically, and it will be different from the original one. So software licenses like these, it may deactivate or require a reactivation. Its subscription-based software does rely on the machine GUID, and some apps use this to prevent multiple free trials, account sharing, and hardware spoofing. But by doing this, it's pretty much just gonna go ahead and reset that, so you can go ahead and try reopening the cursor AI and see that the problem is pretty much fixed. So you can just go ahead and try resetting your PC after you do all this. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.